Now that you've taken your short survey and have downloaded the animal chart, we are now going to start finally learning about the farm animals. So I will first have you watch this short video about all the different farm animals on your chart and what their habitats are. Also, it will explain what the baby names of each of the animals are, which you will need for your chart. So while you're watching the video, I want you to make sure to fill out the chart. So all you have to do to start the video is hit the play button, and it should play automatically. After you are done with the video, I want you to scroll down, and you should see a bunch of pictures. And all you have to do is read the instructions. And these pictures will explain to you what each animal eats, as well as there are buttons that will let you hear the sound of each of the animals. So as you can see in the directions, whatever's at the end of the row, whatever food is at the end of the row of the animals is what they eat. So for example, the horse and the cow both eat hay, as you can see in the pictures. Now to hear the sound of the horse, all we have to do is hit the button that says horse sound under the picture of the horse, and it will take you to a video that will play the sound, and then you can just go right back to the website and listen to the sounds of the other ones. You also want to make sure that you're filling out the chart for this one as well, because these will be asked later on in an activity. And that is all you have to do for this part. Thank you.